Yo, what's up guys? We're back in the garage today. So we got these parts, pull them. I said there was so much money, Jesse, blah, 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 but we got to get paid. Last time I showed you kind of how I prep some of this stuff and got it ready for shipping. Today I'm just going to go over quickly just how I ship stuff. Give you the whole 360 on how we do this thing here. So we've got all this inventory. This vacuum pump was actually one of the ones we did in the last video. So that's sold. We can just pull it. This is all ready to go. I'll just print the labels, slap them on. All right, boys, well, there we've got it. Got the postal service pile there, FedEx pile here. Now, all these parts in total sales were about $950. I have to back out shipping and fees, probably about 25% knock off of that. But that's total for what we got here, and it's just a few boxes. It took a couple hours to ship. Really, this is what slowed us down. But there you go. That's what it takes. This is the nitty gritty. This is how we collect our money on it. Now we can get out to pull some parts. I'll take that to FedEx. That'll get picked up. And,
thank you to all the Patreons and members that support this channel. We love you. Check out this video I have coming up. Here's a little sneak peek of it where we go to the junkyard. I actually take my brother out there. He watches the channel. He said, Jesse, I want to make some side money. I said, bro, I gotcha. So we go out there, look at a few parts, talk about a few different cars and kind of really get an idea of what he should be targeting to make some quick side hustle money. Look for that video soon. And if this is far enough in the future when you're watching this video, it's probably out. So make sure and go check that out. Hit the subscribe button, bell notification, all that good stuff. Become a member, become a supporter. We appreciate you. I'll see you over there. Peace.